This is an ISE special. My name is Tim Albright. I am your host. What we've been doing is chatting with folks who are exhibiting at Integrated Systems Europe. If you're not familiar with the show, it is the world's largest audio-visual trade show. It happens in Amsterdam, the 6th through the 9th of February. And today we are chatting with Greg Mattson from QSC. How are you, sir?
Doing very good. Thank you, Tim.
So we talk with Greg, and actually when we go to Amsterdam, I think we're interviewing Greg about what you guys are bringing out. The one thing I'm not doing is I'm not asking folks for what they're announcing the first couple of days of the show. That's just kind of unfair. But what we are doing is saying, okay, you know what, we're going through the halls, and QSC is in hall 7. E is in Edward. 200 is your actual stand number. So we're walking through hall 7, and we come upon the QSC booth. What exactly are we going to find?
So the main focus of our booth this year is kind of is basically our new control offering. The way I like to think of it is kind of more or less lifting the veil on the control opportunities that QSC offers to the industry. So we're showcasing a lot of that through some live interactive demos at the booth for some of our newer features. We have a couple of conference room experiences, so some actual live, completely built out conference rooms. We're going to be doing booth presentations. There's quite a number of them in various languages offered throughout the duration of the show, as well as some just general booth tours to kind of walk people through everything we have to offer at this current juncture.
So if I'm just happening along the stand, I can just come up and say, hey, I want a booth tour, or do I have to register for it?
So we ask for registration in advance if possible. You can do that on our website if you go to qsc.com/ISE 2018. However, some on-site registration will be available as well.
Okay, so it's not like I have to I don't have to plan out, hey, I want to go here at this time. I can register there. So
exactly, yeah. As long as our time slots allow, but I expect we'll be able to make things work.
All right. I want to chat for a second about control. Greg and I both have a very deep level of control for the AV industry. This is not your first. This is not you guys introducing your control, because that happened a couple of years ago. I want to say it was an Infocom. So kind of give me an overarching, you said lifting the veil. What exactly are we going to be showing as far as QSC control?
So you're absolutely correct. Kind of from the inception of the QSys platform, control has always been something that we've aspired to get more into. The original concept name for the what eventually became our QSys cores was INTEVAC, Integrated Audio, Video, and Control. So it's always been kind of that thing that we wanted to do more and more of. What we've done, that lifting the veil, is since I've been on board, my main goal has been to improve our tool sets. So it's just as robust a platform as it ever has been, but I'm trying to provide better tools for AV programmers, for integrators, and ultimately our end users, so that they can get these systems integrated in the manner that they see fit, and that they're easier to understand. Is kind of really my thing right now, is lowering the bar of entry a little bit on what it takes to get a complex system simplified for all of us.
All right, very good. Well, as we've said a couple times on these previews, not everybody in the world is going to go to ISE, even though it's a great show to go to. Again, February 6th through the 9th. If they are not attending, but they want to see exactly what QSC will be revealing that week, how do they follow along with QSC from afar?
So we're going to be doing a lot of Facebook Live style events on our Facebook page. So that's QSC Systems. That's the Facebook page for us. A lot of our updates are also going to be going up on that website I listed earlier, qsc.com/ISE 2018. And you can also follow us on Twitter at QSC.
All right, very good. Greg Mattson from QSC. I appreciate your time. For us, you can go by with the website, AVNation.tv, AVNation.tv. Our ISE page is already up and running. We've got interviews like this, press releases, and also a list of the events that we at AVNation are going to be attending. I'm hosting a couple of panels. We have a tweet up going on, so check all of that out and more at the website, AVNation.tv, AVNation.tv.